myself. I feel
Did you do it?
more confident. I can even keep up with my 5-year-old granddaughter. Help me feel less
Watch this. I wonder if I can make it look.
holding back time.
Ready?
I'm in control.
Are you videotaping?
No matter what your age.
Did you videotape that?
You'll need the home gym that's
Cool.
satisfaction guarantee. Bowflex.
What are you doing underneath the foosball table, baby?
That tells you
Hi?
or visit us at extreme.
You actually wanting me to read this?
Yeah, that way you're quiet.
Bruce,
You're funny.
what you doing?
Or piranhas.
What's funny is I actually got it, too.
That's good.
What, me saying you're hilarious about reading?
Yep.
Oh, that's an ugly piranha.
No, I got Amber doing the flip, too.
That's dead.
Oh.
From movies
That's
to
a
music,
skeleton.
games, and more. There's
It's
something
not
for
ugly.
everyone on Charter on Demand.
Don't!
Main Street Bistro. Each week, Main Street Bistro will feature.
You know what's funny?
And you'll have the opportunity to visit our website, purchase gift certificates for half price. Take a restaurant.
You're not gonna smack me in the face with your
Why
dick.
do you want a piranha?
Or on demand.
They're so ugly.
Then click on Main Street Bistro at chartermainstreet.com to savor these delicious deals.
Look at that thing. That is ugly.
I can't even see it because you keep fucking moving.
Let me see. That's what he's gonna grow up to be like. That fish?
Yeah, see, look.
In there.
That's a piranha. That is ugly.
Yeah. But the one